In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item on Vinted. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get in touch with the seller and handle a return smoothly while keeping everything within Vinted's system. Start by heading to vinted.com in your browser. If you prefer the app, that works too, but the process is essentially the same. Make sure you're signed in to the account you used for the purchase so you can access your order details and messages. Having your order open in another tab can make things quicker when you're ready to contact the seller. Once you've received the item, take a moment to carefully unbox it and inspect everything. Compare what you got to the original listing photos and description. Check the size, color, condition, and any flaws that were or weren't disclosed. If something seems off, take clear photos and, if relevant, short videos showing the issue in good lighting. Keep the packaging and label handy as well. Those can be useful if a return is agreed upon. If you decide you want to return the item, think about the reason you're returning it and whether it aligns with Vinted's guidelines in your region. Returns often depend on the item being not as described or otherwise problematic, and timing can matter, so it's a good idea to act promptly. If you're unsure about eligibility or timeframes, check Vinted's Help Center for the most up-to-date information. Next, click on Ask Seller. You'll usually find this on the item page or within your order conversation. This opens a chat with the seller, which is the best place to keep everything documented and in one place. Now message the seller to explain that you have an issue with the item. Keep it polite and clear. Briefly describe what's wrong, reference the order, and attach the photos you took so the seller can see exactly what you're seeing. It helps to propose a straightforward solution, such as returning the item for a refund, and ask how they'd like to proceed. If a return is agreed, request guidance on shipping, whether a prepaid label will be provided or if you should arrange it yourself. Always keep communication inside Vinted's messaging so there's a record of what was agreed. That's it. Keep an eye on your messages for the seller's reply, follow any instructions they share, and hold on to proof of postage if you send the item back. If anything remains unclear, the Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you handle your Vinted return with confidence.